Hope Solo calls Sweden bunch of cowards after USA falter at Olympics. Hope Solo has had an interesting Olympics, to put it mildly. Before the games had even started, she had alienated many people in the host country by posing with anti-mosquito gear, a reference to the problems Brazil is experiencing with the Zika virus. That led to the USA goalkeeper being taunted with cries of Zika and every goal kick by Brazilian fans during the World Cup. She then made 2 errors as the US drew with Colombia in their final group game of the tournament. On Friday, she really stepped things up. As the US faced a penalty that would see them crash out of the tournament to Sweden in shootout, Solo claimed she needed to change her gloves. That forced Lisa Dahlqvist to wait a few minutes to take her spot kick, an uncomfortably long time at such a crucial moment. The Swedes scored anyway and the defending champions were out. Solo did not take kindly to the defeat. I thought we played a courageous game. I thought we had many opportunities on goal, she said. I think we showed a lot of heart. We came back from a goal down. I'm very proud of this team. And I also think we played a bunch of cowards. The best team did not win today, I strongly, firmly believe that. Solo was asked to clarify her comments and said her issue with the Swedes stemmed from their style of play. They didn't want to open play. They didn't want to pass the ball. They didn't want to play great soccer. It was a combative game, a physical game. And they tried to counter with long balls. The goalkeeper was also dismissive of Sweden's chances going ahead. I don't think they're going to make it far in the tournament. I think it was very cowardly. But they won. They moving on and we're going home. She told Sports Illustrated's Grant Wall that she was proud of her teammates. Tonight Sweden found a way to beat us. Nevertheless, I am so proud of the way we played tonight, our fight, our heart, and the skill we showed. Things don't always go the way you want them to. Such is life, and such is sport. There was widespread criticism of Solo on social media following her comments. She later admitted on Twitter that losing sucks. I'm really bad at it. The Sweden coach, Pia Sundhage, led the US to gold in the 2008 and 2012 Olympics and was dismissive of Solo's outburst. I don't give a crap, she told reporters after the game. I'm going to Rio. She's going home.